Hey guys, Megan with another YouTube video, and today we're going to be taking a look at something decently random. I mean, it's kind of not. This is an interesting little model. So basically what happened one day is I was sitting through my Lego boxes and I was organizing out pieces, and I was coming across a unusually high amount of blue pieces, and I wanted to see if I could build a working M4 magazine release. So I did. And that's the first working with the rubber band and everything magazine release for an M4, and that's pretty cool because that opens up the world for a lot of new models and whatnot. This magazine well is big enough for a 6-stud magazine, and as you can see, obviously it would lock into place with that. So that's what's up with this portion of it. But when I finished building this, I didn't want to just leave it as just a magazine well with a working M4 magazine release in it. So I went ahead and I built this entire back piece here. Now then, I don't have the normal grip pieces, like the pistol grips that I usually use, so I made an ergonomic variant with a thumb hole in the back here. So this one is actually more comfortable than the red one that I have because it fits the shape of my thumb a little bit more, and I have a wiggle room when it comes to this one. I also experimented with the new type of trigger design. So this one involves a gray spring. I tried using a blue spring, but that actually turned out to be really stiff and kind of hard to use. So I switched it over to a gray one, and it turns out pretty good. So how this one works is this trigger pivots on this point here, but this spring can't move because it's locked in at this point here. So it's going to be pushed forward, and it's going to stop because along the side here, on that little groove of the spring type piston looking thing here, it stops your trigger, which means I don't need any bar in front of the trigger to stop it, or the back of this to stop it. And plus, this is much more reliable than a rubber band like that. This rubber band can snap at any time, and this spring is not going to go anywhere. In fact, the only thing that I really have to worry about with this spring is these two pieces right here that are holding it into place. And chances are, if I ever make an upper receiver and lay it down on top of this, I won't have to worry about that type of stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I mean, it's literally just a kind of like ergonomic lower receiver M4 style thing. I just wanted to show you guys that I have new trigger system type thing, and then I finally built a working M4 magazine release. So I've got the AK and the M4 one down, and as long as you got that one down, you pretty much got 75% of the guns. AKs are very popular guns to knock off. M4s are popular to knock off because they're super reliable, super cheap. You can customize them any way you want. G36s, different story. H&K has their different magazine releases. But Efren Herstal's magazines releases work just like M4s, except they're ambidextrous, so I don't know how I'm going to do that. I'm going to leave that up to someone who is much more smarter than me when it comes to Lego mech systems and things. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys later in another YouTube video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. If you guys like this one, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you guys want to see more Lego guns and things like that, even guns that you've never seen me build before and or do a video on, don't be afraid to check out my website, bluejaythemeister.weebly.com. It'd be greatly appreciated, and pretty much that's all. So thanks for watching. Remember, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.